Hello and welcome to the Sovana 4D DualPro tablet remote tutorial. Today I am going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Sovana tablet to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into 4 different parts: remote layout and functions, personalizing an auto program, building and saving a program, and pairing Bluetooth devices. Let's begin by turning on the tablet remote by pressing the power button located on the top edge of the tablet. This will boot up the tablet remote. Once fully booted, a yellow warning screen will appear. Please read it thoroughly, and when you finish, tap the red "Tap Here to Confirm" button to continue. To the left of the home screen is Auto. When tapping Auto, this brings up 24 auto programs that you can use with a tap of a button. The programs are grouped into 3 categories to help you find the best suited massage to your needs. To move between categories, tap the arrows on the side of the screen. There is Therapy, which offers a selection of massages oriented towards recovery. Lifestyle, with programs that provide a comprehensive full-body massage experience suited to different activities. And Focus, with a set of programs that are more focused massages tailored to different regions of the body. We recommend trying each program out and seeing what feels best for you. To return to the home screen, tap the home icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This home icon will always return you to the home screen on any screen that it is found. To the right of Auto is Manual Settings. Once selected, this will bring you to another display where the full manual control settings are located. Each of these settings allows you to customize your massage to your liking. We will return to this screen later in part 2 of this video. Next is Health Monitoring. In health monitoring, the chair uses sensors and AI to create a personalized massage experience. To begin, tap the Start Scanning button, then place the ball of any of your right fingers on the health pad located in the right arm of the chair. Be sure to cover the whole sensor with light pressure for best measurements. The chair will now begin measuring your heart rate, blood oxygen, and fatigue index. Once scanning reaches 100%, a report will be generated with your current measurements and fatigue level categorized as low, medium, or high. Based on your results, the chair will recommend a personalized massage program designed to help reduce fatigue and promote recovery. Tap the Run Recommended Massage button to execute the program, or tap the Cancel and Rescan button to update your measurements. Returning to the home screen, let's tap on Air Settings. In Air Settings, here you can personalize your compression massage by turning on the airbag compression region you desire. There are 5 different options: full body, shoulder, arm, waist and hip, and leg and feet. Note you can select and deselect more than one option. However, when you select full, this will override all individual sections. Once you have chosen an air region, next you can adjust the air intensity of the air massage. Here you will see 5 different options, 1 through 5 and off. Use the Air Intensity Minus and Air Intensity Plus buttons to change the setting. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want the airbags off, simply deselect the air setting option you've selected previously. You can also save your custom air settings into a customized massage program using the MyMemory Save feature of your chair. We will go over this feature next. You will find the MyMemory Save button located at the top left corner of this screen. Returning to the home screen, let's tap on MyMemory. In MyMemory, you can access a custom massage program created and saved using the manual controls in the Manual Settings display or after personalizing an auto program. We will go over creating and customizing a program in step 3 of this video. You can store up to 5 different MyMemory programs and access them whenever you want. To run a MyMemory program, tap on the desired program slot. Each time you save a MyMemory program, a new MyMemory slot will be written. Once all 6 slots are used, you must delete an existing program to save a new MyMemory program. To delete a program, tap on the trash can icon next to the program you want to remove. Going back to the home screen, let's go over the position adjustment settings. In position adjustments, you can change the chair angles and zero gravity recline while the chair is running. The backrest, footrest, and foot extension adjustments will assist you to fine-tune the length and fit of specific parts of your chair. Tap and hold the screen buttons to adjust any of these settings. When holding down the backrest adjustment buttons, this will allow you to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. You can adjust the footrest just the same. This allows the chair's footrest to raise or lower. Next is the foot in and foot out adjustment buttons. When holding down the foot adjustment buttons, this allows you to extend or retract the footrest. The last setting within the adjustment screen is the zero gravity and recline positions. Zero gravity elevates your feet up over your heart to improve overall circulation and reduces gravitational force on your spine for a sense of weightlessness. Incline will recline the chair back into a slight recline. Leisure will put the chair into a standard recline, and zero gravity will recline the chair into complete weightless zero gravity recline. Back in the home screen, let's go to Sound. Tap Sound. Use this screen to select and control the Soothe Me Sound Therapy feature of your chair. Here you will see 10 different nature sounds you can choose from. There is white noise, ocean, crickets, rain, fireplace, airplane, car ride, thunderstorm, windy night, and nature. Once you select your desired sound effect, you can choose the level of volume below, 1 through 9 and off, 1 being the quietest and 9 being the loudest. To turn off nature sounds, simply turn volume off or deselect the nature sound. Now let's navigate back to the home screen. The last option on the home screen is Settings. Here you should see 9 different options: Screen Timeout, Backlight, Keytone, Bluetooth, Sleep Mode, Light, Voice Demo, Voice Commands, and Language. The Screen Timeout feature allows you to set how long the tablet remains active before dimming after your last interaction. You can choose from options such as 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or select Never to keep the screen on indefinitely. Tap the plus or minus buttons on the screen to change this setting. Next is Backlight. This setting controls the tablet remote's screen brightness. Tap the plus or minus buttons on the screen to change this setting. Next is Keytone. This controls the beep sound volume your tablet makes each time you make a selection. Tap the plus or minus buttons on the screen to change this setting. Next is Bluetooth. Here you can toggle Bluetooth on or off. In order to play built-in Soothe Me sounds from your chair, or to play music from your Bluetooth-enabled audio device, Bluetooth must first be turned on. To pair your Android or Apple device, we'll be going over this in part 4 of this video. Next is Sleep Mode. Here you can toggle Sleep Mode on or off. When Sleep Mode is on, the chair will stop in the recline position after any auto program. When Sleep Mode is off, the chair will return to a fully upright position after each auto program. Next is Light. Light turns on the ambient light on the sidearm panels of the chair. Turn the lights on or off. Next is Voice Demo. Voice Demo talks you through the functionality of the chair in the demo auto program. Toggle your desired voice demo setting on or off. Next is Voice Commands. Select this to activate the intelligent voice command and control and turn on active voice listening. This feature allows you to control your chair and massage experience completely hands-free. Once activated, simply say, "Hey Kyoto" or "Hi Kyoto." After the chair responds, you may use any of the available voice commands itemized under the Voice Commands list button. The last setting is Language. This chair has 3 different language settings to choose from: English, Chinese, and Spanish. Now, let's personalize and take control of some features within an auto program. Return to the home screen and select Auto. For this example, we're going to pick Relax. Once you have selected Relax, the chair will do a TrueFit body scan. After a massage program is selected, you'll be taken to the body scanning screen to ensure an accurate massage that fits your body. Once a beeping countdown starts, here you can use the arrows to adjust the back mechanisms up or down to match your specific shoulder height. After the countdown timer has elapsed, your massage will start. Note, during the body scan, if you decide you want to stop and turn the massage chair off, simply hit the power button on the display screen. This will reset the chair back to its beginning state. After adjusting your shoulder height, you will be taken to the Controls screen, where you can observe all the current settings and session information. The figure in the center of the screen shows a visual representation of the massage program that is currently running. The orange dots indicate the current position of the massage mechanisms along the massage track, and the blue highlights on the figure's body show which airbags are actively compressing. The timer in the middle indicates the time remaining in your massage. You can find the name of the massage program that is currently running in the upper left corner of the screen. To the left of the figure, you will see the 4D strength setting plus and minus buttons. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the 4D back mechanism. All auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying 4D intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations, 1 being lightest and 5 being firm. On the inside of 4D strength is air intensity. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the airbag massage. Like with 4D intensity, all auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying levels of airbag intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations. Select 1 for lightest and 5 for firmest massage. To the right of the figure is massage speed. Use this control to increase or decrease the speed of the back mechanism, 1 being slow and 5 being fast. Note, massage speed cannot be adjusted when in the shiatsu manual mode. On the inside of massage speed is the massage timer control. Tap the plus and minus buttons to select your desired massage time length. 15 minutes is the default setting. The massage chair will turn off automatically and reset after the timer is up. To the bottom left of the figure, you'll find calf kneading control. Calf kneading combines with compression air cells to simulate hands gently relieving tension and pain in the calf region of each leg. You can toggle this feature on or off. Below calf kneading is foot rollers adjustment. Use this to control the total sole reflexology rollers and choose your desired foot roller speed, 1 being slow and 2 and 3 being fast, or use off to deactivate the foot rollers. To the right is the lumbar heat control. This will activate and deactivate the lumbar heat. Use this option to set the lumbar heat to low, high, or off. To the right of lumbar heat is feet heat. Use this option to set the feet heat to low, high, or off. To stop or pause the massage, simply tap the pause button on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. To continue, just re-tap to resume the massage. If you tap the power button in the bottom left corner, this will stop the massage and reset the chair entirely. At the top of the screen, you'll find quick access tabs to the main menu options we went over earlier. Tap these to jump directly to those options. There is Adjustments, Air Setting, Manual, and tapping Controls will bring you back to the current screen. When you're done personalizing your auto program, you have the option to save it by tapping the My Memory button located just below the program name. You'll instantly be taken to the My Memory screen, where you can choose a slot to save your new program, which you can run later by accessing the My Memory screen again. Note, at least one empty My Memory slot must be available in order to save your personalized program. If no slots are available, you must first delete a pre-existing program, then return and tap My Memory again. The My Memory button will highlight once a program has been saved successfully. Now let's explore the manual settings. Tap Manual from the tab selection at the top of the screen. Here we get to create your own massage sequence by layering selections to build your own program, which then can be saved within My Memory. Note, your first selection on this screen will start your massage. Let's begin building your program. Starting at the upper right, let's select the mechanism we're going to set options for. Let's start with the upper mechanism first by tapping Upper. At the bottom right, we have 6 different massage techniques that this chair offers. The same or different technique can be set for each of the massage mechanisms. There is kneading, kneading and tapping, knock, tapping, shiatsu, and combination. Try each one of them and see which one you enjoy the most. For this example, we are going to choose knock for the upper mechanism. Now, with the type of massage selected, let's make a massage area selection. Choose an area you would like the upper mechanism to focus on. Let's choose partial. Once chosen, use the up and down arrows to adjust the rollers along the L track. To change the width of the rollers, you have 3 different options to choose from: narrow, medium, and wide. Let's select medium width. Note, the width cannot be adjusted when in kneading or in combination mode. With the upper mechanism set, let's change the options for the lower mechanism. Tap lower, then select the kneading technique and spot area selection to really target the glutes. Now let's choose a 4D strength and speed for the upper mechanism. Tap back to Controls and select 2, and in the Massage Speed Control setting, select 1. This will give us a slow, light tissue massage. Let's also change our massage time to 30 minutes. On to the Air settings. Tap Air settings, then select shoulder, waist and hip, and leg and feet. This will start the air compression massage in these 3 different regions. Now let's choose an air intensity level of 4. This will really help with releasing that tension throughout the body. Moving on to the legs. Tab back to manual and turn on calf kneading. Let's also choose 1 for foot roller speed and low for lumbar and feet heat. Now that we have built our own custom massage, let's save it in our MyMemory Programs. Tap the My Memory button on any of the available screens. Then select an empty slot for your new program. Congrats! You have now saved your very own massage, and you can utilize it at any time by returning to the My Memory Programs list. Now let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled in the settings menu on the Sovana tablet remote. Now, make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth-enabled massage chair around you. Select Sovana DualPro in the Available Devices section of your Bluetooth settings and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair's speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the remote control tablet, you can now fully enjoy your Sovana 4D DualPro massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Enjoy your chair, and thank you for being part of the Infinity family.